Oh, look, there's mushrooms in my pot plant. Is this the end? Is my plant haunted? Is this how the last of my plants are going to die? Well, before you call Plant 911 or start packing for the fungal apocalypse, let me tell you something that will blow your cap off. Mushrooms in your plant are actually a good thing. You might be thinking, why are mushrooms actually awesome in a pot plant? Well, it turns out mushrooms in your soil means your soil is healthy. I'm talking yoga retreat, green juice cleanse kind of healthy. Mushrooms are decomposers. They break down organic material and turn it into rich nutrients for your plant. They are the unsung composting heroes of the underground world. You're not cursed, you're blessed. You're not infested, you're invested in biodiversity. Which mushrooms are loved and which ones are to watch out? Now, look, most common pot plant mushrooms, are they totally harmless? No, red ones are super toxic to humans and yellow ones are less toxic. Do not eat them. I repeat, do not eat the mystery fungi. Just because it grew in your ficus doesn't mean it's the next portobello burger. You're a plant parent, not a forest forager. So no munching on these mystery mushrooms in the pot. Should you remove the mushrooms? I get this question a lot. Do you have to remove them? Nah, but if you've got curious kids, pets, maybe pluck them out, but wear gloves when you do. Also, if you're trying to win Instagram's cleanest aesthetic plant shelf, yeah, mushrooms might cramp your natural beige vibes. I also get this question a lot. How do I discourage the mushrooms growing in my pot plant? Well, if you want a mushroom-free soil, try less watering because fungi love it moist. Yeah, I said it. They love it moist, so if you make sure the soil is dry, less likely for the mushrooms to grow, better drainage, and use sterile potting mix. But hey, you can always embrace it. Mushrooms are just part of the circle of life. So next time you see a mushroom in your plant, don't panic. Celebrate it. Name it because your plant isn't dying. It's thriving with fungal flair. And maybe whisper a quiet thank you to the mushroom gods. Like and subscribe for more plant chaos. If you like to support the channel, buy this coloring book called the Crazy Plant Lover Coloring Book by your very own crazy plant lady, me. It's available on Amazon now.